Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you all are doing good. I'm making video after such a long time, but today, what happened? Something really beautiful happened. I read something really pretty and I felt like I want to share it. First of all, Jumu'ah Mubarak. If you haven't offered your salah, why haven't you offered your salah? Anyway, if you're not Muslim or you can watch this video. It's okay. It's not just for Muslims. It's just something beautiful. There is this hadith which is very popular amongst all of the Muslims, and I read it today and I related it to something very beautiful. All of us have going on, stuff in our life, and मुझे लगा कि मुझे ये share करना चाहिए. So thank you for clicking on this video. So let's get into it. So the hadith is in Sahih Bukhari. You guys can check it out if you want. Sahih Bukhari book uh, volume 4 and hadith number 175, book 12 it is, I guess. Anyway, so if you want to check it out you can. The hadith goes like this कि solar eclipse चल रहा होता है Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam के time में, and then they offer this salah which is a traditional salah that we offer when a solar eclipse is going on. तो Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam जब salah पढ़ रहे होते हैं, he goes forward and then he comes back uh, while offering salah. After they are done, जो सहाबा किराम है वो Prophet सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के पास जाते हैं and they inquire, या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, we saw you today doing this very strange thing and we haven't seen you do this before. Prophet सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का आंसर बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता है जैसे कि I was shown a fruit of paradise and I tried to grab it with my hand, and they say कि अगर मैंने वो अपने hand में लिया होता, all of us could have eaten from it until यौमल क़ियामा. We could कि मतलब वो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता. And I think that is so beautiful because somewhere along the line we humans, when we are living in this world, we somewhere along the line develop this scarcity mentality कि we have things here that do not last forever. चीज़ें ख़त्म हो जाती हैं and then we are scared whether things are gonna come, whether rizq is gonna come. And I think ये हदीस जो है ये इस चीज़ को मतलब आपका पर्सपेक्टिव ही चेंज कर देती है, आपका माइंडसेट बिल्कुल चेंज कर देती है if you ponder upon it, if you think about it deeply. There is one more hadith which agrees with this quite a bit. Please don't skip, please hear what I'm trying to go to here. This hadith जिसमें no sorry हज़रत आयशा रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हा जो प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की बिलवड वाइफ हैं, उनके घर में एक खजूर की थैली रखी हुई होती है, ओके. एंड वो उसमें से रोज़ रोज़ एक ना एक उठा के खाते रहते हैं. एंड उनको बहुत टाइम बाद रियलाइज़ होता है, आफ्टर अबाउट 10 मंथ्स और सो, उनको रियलाइज़ होता है कि दिस इज़ नॉट गेटिंग मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट एंडिंग. तो वो काम करते हैं, शी गोज़ एंड शी लिफ्ट्स अप द हिजाब ऑफ इट, वट एवर जो भी रहा होगा उस टाइम. तो वो उठाते हैं एंड शी फाइंड्स आउट, to her surprise there are only two left. And then she goes to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our beloved, and she mentions this thing कि ऐसा हुआ. The answer here really made my it made my day. वो बोलते हैं, या आयशा रदी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा, अगर आपने कवर नहीं उठाया होता, आपको नहीं उठाना चाहिए था कवर. व्हाट डू यू नो, इट कुड हैव लास्टेड फॉर एवर. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ सो प्रिटी. मैं बस इसको रिलेट कर रही हूँ इस साइकोलॉजी से कि हम वर्ल्ड में रह के, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ टेस्ट, वी बिलीव, वी मुस्लिम्स बिलीव दिस इज़ अ टेस्ट फॉर अस. एंड यहाँ रह कि हम कहीं ना कहीं अक्वायर कर लेते हैं ये बिलीफ कि पता नहीं whether things will happen the way we want them to happen, whether things will last. Sometimes that's the beauty of life ki things don't last, but that's another form of psychology, and I might get to that in some other video. So yeah, this is so beautiful when you believe something. This is also mentioned in psychology of manifestation ki if you believe something is going to come, then it will come to you. So if you keep this mentality ki you expect good things, then good things will come to you. As Allah also mentions in Holy Quran कि एक बंदे के लिए Allah is what he perceives him to be. Okay. I think that is so beautiful if all of us just ponder upon it. So मुझे बस ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful लगी and मुझे लगा कि I felt the urge to share it. And if you want to do a good deed today, please share this video and like this video as well and subscribe to my channel. Baki wassalam.